In this guide, I'll show you how to fix a flickering black screen on the PS5 Pro. So the first thing you want to do is go to Settings in the top right corner, then navigate down and select Screen and Video, Video Output, and if you're playing on a 4K TV, what you want to have a look at is the video transfer rate. Now it'll be set to automatic by default, however, you could try adjusting this to -1 or -2, and this may fix flickering. Now, if it doesn't, another reason this could be happening is let's say you were playing your PS5 Pro on 4K, and then you moved it over to a 1080p TV, but it was still on that 4K setting. What you could do is either move your PS5 Pro back to the 4K TV and adjust your resolution to 1080p, or you could go ahead and go into safe mode on your PS5 Pro by turning it off, pressing holding the power button until you get 2 beeps, and then once you're in safe mode, you can change the resolution there. Now, if that's not the problem either, another thing you can do is go back, and we're going to go to System, and we're going to go to HDMI. This mainly applies to people who may be recording their video. What you would want to do is ensure that Enable HDCP is turned off, because if it's turned on and you're trying to record, your screen's just going to remain black and flicker. But beyond that, you could also try changing out your HDMI cable, plugging into a different port on the back of your TV or monitor, and hopefully this fixes your issue. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.